La 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 la. Ooh, leaves. Brother, even more brother. Yes. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah. What? Ooh, Jeep. Nice nature. Bad nature. That's good, me. This is a nature video. All nature. I'm gonna stop it once we go. What? La 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 la. Now I know what's real and what is fake. Wait. Now I know what's real and what is fake. Clip again. Now I know what's real and what is. What the heck? La 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 la. Isn't nature so beautiful? This sounds perfect. Today is a rainy day. Perfect in Baltimore to film a video. It's nice here. This is right now today. It's nice when it's raining like this. You can film a good vid. If you're just recording it for nature, which I am, you make a rain video of rainers coming out and making good noises of nature. I hope you have a good day, because once we step up, back up, we're good. We're just gonna go in and end of it once we're about to go in. So yeah, it's been a while. It's 7 minutes and 31 seconds. So this has been going up. It's going on fast. This is a good day though. Totally. It's a nice day to relax and watch nature.
Yeah, right. I can pop in this.
Sorry for that. But I'm just relaxing out here. It's good. There's yeah. Mom, are we going in? Okay. Well.
Hey, but I said.
Mom.